How many times does a cat groom in a day? Can cats actually swim? And why does your friend's cat go wild for catnip while yours shrugs? 5 fast facts. Let's go. Cats sleep about 12–16 hours a day. Of the time they're awake, many spend 20–30% on self-care, aka grooming. That's a lot of licks. Popular estimates say hundreds of licks per day. Exact numbers vary by cat, coat, and season. Why it matters: grooming regulates temperature, spreads skin oils, and reduces scent. But too much grooming can signal stress, pain, or skin issues. Help them out. Offer fresh water, regular brushing, and hairball smart diets if your vet recommends. A quick home check. Ribs test. You should feel ribs with light pressure, not see them, not lose them in padding. Waistline. From above, a subtle waist behind the ribs. Belly pad. Many cats store fat in the lower belly. Watch the swinging apron. If ribs are hard to feel and the belly pad is pronounced, it's time for a vet-guided weight plan. Catnip's active compound nipetolactone triggers the fun. But not every cat has the genes to respond. Roughly 1/3 show little or no reaction, and many kittens under 6 months won't respond yet. Cousins like silvervine and matatabi can light up some non-responders. Rotate scent toys to avoid boring habituation. Yes, cats can swim if they must. Instinct kicks in. But wet fur gets heavy and cold quickly, so most cats avoid water for good reason. If you ever need to bathe a cat for medical reasons, use warm water, non-slip footing, go slow, and follow your vet's instructions. Cats lack the functional receptor for sweet. Dessert is meaningless to them. They're also less sensitive to salty flavors than we are. But they're very good at detecting bitter, which helps them avoid toxins. Also why bitter meds are a struggle. A charming old tale says cats were a gift from the divine, sent to protect food on Noah's Ark by shrinking a lion. It's a legend, of course, but it captures how precious cats are to people. Every cat is unique, but knowing these basics helps you care better. Which fact surprised you most? Tell me in the comments and give your feline a gentle blink from me.